Assalamu alaikum, grade 4. Hope you are safe and sound and remain at home. Today we are going to start our first chapter, Pippi Longstocking. It is an interesting story about a girl. Her name is Pippi, and the long sock she is wearing, it is Longstocking. Okay, so Pippi Longstocking, it's all about the story is all about a girl whose name is Pippi, and she has a monkey. When Pippi entered Villa Velicula for the first time, it was a lovely summer evening. Yes. Pippi entered in her house. The house name is Villi Velicula. The name of house is Villi Velicula, and it was a lovely summer evening. Yes, it was the season of summer when she entered in her house, Villi Velicula. The children next door, Tommy and Anika, were not at home. Yes, the neighbors of Pippi were Tommy and Anika, and they were not at home. They went somewhere. Let's see where they have gone. वो कहीं गए हुए थे. कौन कहीं गया हुआ था? बच्चे जो Pippi के नेबरहुड में रहते थे, Tommy and Anika. They had gone to visit their grandmother for a week, and so they had no idea that anybody had moved into the house next door. They went to their grandparents to spend a full week with them, so they did not have any idea that somebody come in the next door, कि उनके साथ वाले घर में कोई आ गया है. On the first day after they come home again, they stood by the gate looking out onto the street. On the first day after they came home again, when they come back from their grandparents' home, grandmother home, they were standing at the gate of their house. Who were standing? Tommy and Anika, and they are the neighbors of Pippi. They are standing at the gate looking in the street. गली में देख रहे थे. They had no idea that there actually was a playmate so near. उनको इस बात का ख्याल नहीं था कि उनके साथ खेलने के लिए कोई बहुत करीब आ चुका है जो उनके साथ वाले घर में रहता है. They were standing there considering what they should do and wondering whether anything exciting was likely to happen or whether it was going to be one of those dull days when they could not think of anything to play. They were standing there considering, they were thinking what they should do, कि उन्हें क्या करना है, wondering whether anything exciting, yes, क्या वो उन्हें कुछ मिलेगा जिसको वो एंजॉय कर सकेंगे, या ये दिन भी पहले की तरह बोर होंगे और उनको कुछ भी खेलने के लिए नहीं मिलेगा. एक्चुअली क्या होगा, उनके लिए तो एक प्लेमेट आ चुका है, बट they don't know about it. And just then the gate of Villa Velicula opened and a little girl stepped out. Villi Velicula, it's the name of villa. It's a villa, and the Velicula is the name of this villas, and it is the house of Pippi. So the gate was opened. The gate was open, and a little girl stepped out. और उसमें से कौन बाहर आया? Pippi बाहर आई. She was the most remarkable girl. बहुत प्यारी बच्ची थी. Tommy and Anika had ever seen. इससे पहले टॉमी और अनिका ने इतनी प्यारी बच्ची नहीं देखी थी. She was Miss Pippi Longstocking out for her morning walk. There is the way she looked. This is the way she looked. She was Miss Pippi. Who was she? She was Miss Pippi. Yes, who come and settle in the next door to Tommy and Anika. And why she come out? Why she came out? Yes, she came out for the morning time, morning walk. So it must be the time of morning. This is the way she looked. Now see how was she looking? Yes, now in the next paragraph we will read about the personality, the physical features of the Pippi. We will read about his her hair. We will read about her nose. We will read about her physical structure. We will read about her dress. Her hair, the color of a carrot, was braided in two tight braids that stuck straight out. Her nose was the shape of a very small potato and was dotted all over with freckles. जी उसके her hair the color of a carrot. The color of Pippi's hair was like a carrot and she was braided. उसने दो चुटिया की हुई थी, ठीक है, वो बहुत स्ट्रेट और टाइट थी. उसके नोज की शेप लाइक अ स्मॉल पोटैटो थी और उन पे डॉट्स थे विथ फ्रैकल्स marks on a face. It must be admitted that the mouth under this nose was a very white one with strong white teeth. Yes, she has strong white teeth. And her mouth was very wide, very big, openly, very widely. उसका मुंह बहुत खुला था. Her dress was rather unusual. बहुत उसका जो ड्रेस था वो अनयूजुअल था, कॉमन नहीं था, बड़ा डिफरेंट लुक दे रहा था. पिपी हैड मेड इट हरसेल्फ. पिपी ने वो खुद बनाया था. She had meant it to be blue, but there wasn't quite enough blue cloth. She wanted to be the all dress in blue, but she did not have enough blue cloth. So what she did? Let's see. So Pippi had sewed little red pieces on it here and there. So what she did? She did not have enough cloth to complete the dress, so she added some red pieces in her dresses here and there. On her long thin legs she wore a pair of long stockings. I already told you long stocking means long socks, one brown and the other black. Yes, the both have different colors. She is wearing one black and the other one is brown. She had on a pair of black shoes that were exactly twice as long as her feet. The shoes she was wearing were double as per the size of her feet. उसके पाँव से double थे. Her father had bought these shoes for her in South America so that Pippi would have something to grow into. She loved them and she never wanted to wear any others. Why she want to wear such big shoes? Because her father brought them. Her father brought them for her from South America. उसके फादर साउथ अमेरिका से लेकर आए थे, इसलिए वो उसको बहुत अच्छे लगते थे और वो उनके अलावा कोई और शूज नहीं पहनना चाहती थी. But the thing that made Tommy and Anika open their eyes widest of all was the monkey sitting on the strange girl's shoulder. Yes, Tommy and Anika were watching her with open eyes, widest open eyes. बहुत ज्यादा आंखें खोल के फाड़ के नहीं देख, आंखें फाड़ के देखना, खोल के देखना. क्यों? Because a monkey was sitting on her shoulders, or it was very strange thing to them. It was a little monkey dressed in a blue pant, a yellow jacket, and a white straw hat. And why they were strange? Because the monkeys also dressed up like human beings. He was wearing, yes, a blue pant, yellow jacket, and a white straw hat. He is also wearing a hat. Okay, we will finish today's lecture till here. What you need to do, you have to read it again and find out at least 12 difficult words from these 5 paragraphs. Learn their spellings and send me in form of voice text. Allah Hafiz, take care.